Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Park level, engine cooled, handbrake set, and disconnect the battery negative terminal. Put on gloves to avoid skin oils on the bulb. Next, jack the car if needed and remove the wheel or reach through the wheel arch splash guard. On some Suzuki Swift models, you can access the fog lamp from below. Use a screwdriver and 10mm wrench to remove the retaining clips and screws. Work methodically so you don't drop parts. Once you have the housing exposed, pull it forward slightly to reach the bulb socket. Be gentle to avoid cracking plastic tabs. You then unplug the electrical connector, press the release tab, and twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Take the new bulb by the base only, insert and twist clockwise until it seats, then reconnect the wiring harness. Make sure the bulb is fully home and the housing sits flush. Tighten screws and clips evenly to preserve alignment and prevent moisture ingress. With the housing secured, reconnect the battery negative terminal and turn on the fog lights to confirm operation. Check the beam aim and adjust if it's pointing too high or low. Make sure the light pattern matches the opposite side. Reinstall the wheel or splash guard, stow your tools, and torque fasteners to spec. If the lamp doesn't light, don't panic. First check the fuse and then probe the connector for battery voltage. If voltage is present, reseat the bulb and wiring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.